How dare can someone call Israel the only democracy in the Middle East when in its backyard there is one of the most cruel, brutal tyrannies in the world? How can you do it? Can you be half pregnant? Can you be half democratic? Can you be a democracy in the front and a tyranny in your backyard? Because as you might know, Israel is maybe the only place on earth with 3 regimes. We are having 3 regimes. One is a so-called liberal democracy for its Jewish citizens, which have many cracks now, but it is still functioning. I have total freedom in Israel. This must be mentioned here. I write whatever I want. I appear on TV. I can't claim that someone is shutting my mouth, except of people in the street who wouldn't like to see me or spitting at me or who are threatening me. But by the end of the day, this freedom, which I don't take for granted and might not last for long, but this freedom is there. So that's the first regime in the front. Then comes the second regime, a very discriminative regime toward the Israeli Palestinians, the Palestinians of 48, the Israeli citizens who are Palestinians, 20% of the population. They are discriminated in any possible aspect of life, but they gain formal equal civil rights. They vote, they elect, they can be voted, they can be elected, and that's the second regime. And obviously the third regime, which Israel is hiding, is the military occupation, is the military regime in the occupied territories. And here I allow myself to say with no doubt that this is today one of the most brutal, cruel tyrannies on earth. Not less than this. I repeat it, the military occupation in the occupied territories is today one of the brutal, cruel tyrannies on earth.